Let me ask you the position of the animals and objects. Use the position words near, under, on, and between. Where is the cow? Where is the cow? The cow is near the tree. You are correct. Number 2. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? If you say, the ball is under the table, the boy is under the table, you are right. Number 3. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? If you say, the cat is under the chair, the cat is under the chair, you are correct. And number 4, where is the dog? Where is the dog? If you say, the dog is under the desk, the dog is under the desk, you are right. Where is the donkey? Where is the donkey? Our answer must be, the donkey is between the 2 trees. The donkey is between the 2 trees. Where is the red book? Where is the red book? The answer is, the red book is between the 2 balls. The red book is between the 2 balls. Where is the baby? Where is the baby? Our answer should be, the baby is between the 2 girls. The baby is between the 2 girls. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? We can answer by saying, the cat is between the 2 boxes. The cat is between the 2 boxes. We will continue with the same topic, that is location. Till then, goodbye students. Goodbye.